So I'm gonna go with this because it's an African thing.
Hey peeps, spend the day with me. I'll start by making breakfast and then I'll get ready for an event. Let's get into the video. I'll make sausages for breakfast. So to prevent the sausages from burning, I add sausages and oil at the same time and then cook them or fry them or make them under low heat. And I found that to be the best effective way to have golden brown sausages. Next, I'll be making crepes for breakfast, and these are the ingredients which I've used. So guys, since crepes are so runny, you need to use little oil for them to taste good, and also you need to cook them well. So I flip both of these sides and also flip another more time just to make sure that they are well cooked like so. And that is it. This is how they turned out. So yummy. Lastly, I'll also be making samosas. I love samosas and I'm gonna fry them. As you can see, fry them also under low heat, and once one side is done, you turn on the other side. That is it, guys, and they were so yummy. So guys, we're going to do this makeup look, so let's do it. Welcome back to my channel. Get ready with me for a YouTube black event. Let's get into the video. So guys, I'm gonna do a very simple makeup, and I'm gonna take you along with me for a YouTube event, and I want to do my makeup with you guys. So get ready with me. Let's get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and this is what I'm going to use. This is Romantic May eye gel liner. So I'm gonna go with the concealer and then conceal to make the eyebrows stand out. And this is the one I'm using, LA Phone. So guys, one thing I know is that eyebrows will never look like twins. They always look like cousins or sisters. Like they'll never be the same. I'm going to use this LA Girl primer, and I'm going to use my foundation. This is Black Opal. So before I do my foundation, I always go with powder. It's last, and I don't have to keep on touching up. Yeah, especially on my T-zone. And then I set twice. I'm gonna set. So after I set, I don't let it to dry. Immediately I use my foundation, nothing to conceal. I'm gonna use my blender. So you want your foundation to be as flawless as possible. And guys, I'm running late, so I'm gonna do it fast. Tap. You can see the difference. If you have dark spots, you can use concealer. That's what you use. You can use a lippy to just hide your dark marks. I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to mix these two here. Beige, this is pure beige and fawn. I'm gonna use them just here. You can see this is exact my shade. So you have to blend. That matters a lot. I'm going to use this one to contour all my cheekbones and the nose. This is the powder I'm using to set only on these areas. Then I use this other one to set on the jawline. So and then I use another powder to set the entire face. Here's the other powder, just to tap. So now as the face set, I use Joanna K for my eyes, and I'm using a different brush, and I'm gonna highlight to highlight my nose. This one is highly pigmented, so natumia kidogo. I think I'm done with the whole look, and what is remaining now is to set my face and it's got eyeliner. Eyeliner, I'm gonna line. I don't like lifting my eyes. I'm using this is Ever Beauty, so good. I know I'm overdoing. Inaitwa makeup maneno. Ooh. So after I line, this is what I've used. This is so good. And nimezitumia zote mbili. Zote ni za 2 points, just in case you may want to know. And I want to use these two. This is Innocent and Fleet. This is Joanna K Cosmetics. So I'm gonna start with this one. You can see it's the same color as the lip liner. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use e.l.f. setting spray to set my face, setting mist. I'm gonna dab mpaka ikaukia haraka. Let me come, guys. So guys, this is the look. This is the final. So this is the mascara I'm going to use. I also got this one from Beauty Options. It was less than 400 shillings, I think. And we are done. So guys, I'm not going to apply lashes. Then for my edges, this is normal soft and free gel. Ukisha paka ni hivyo, you don't need to tie. For it to dry, you don't have to. So I'm going to dress up and show you the outfit of the day. and we are done. Then we get going. Let me show you my outfit of the day. Guys, the theme of the event is Afro Festival, and I am going to wear this dress for the event. So this is how this one looks. It's an African print, and this is going to go well with the dress code of the day. So guys, for the earrings, I was torn between these two, these and these ones, but since it's an African event, sort of an event, Afro Festival event, I'm going to go with the black, as this one is going to go well with the dress, because I'm wearing this black dress. So yeah, I'm going to go with these ones. So guys, for the necklace, I have this beautiful necklace which matches with the earrings, and I know it's going to go well with the dress. Let me show you. Since you can see, it matches well with the dress, but still, because of the V shape of the dress, I don't think this is going to fit well, so this is off. I'm going to maybe not wear a necklace. So otherwise I would have chosen these two necklace, but then I've decided not to wear necklace because I don't want to overdo it. And this bracelet comes with these, like so, with the earrings and the ring, but then I'm not going to wear this one. I'll just do away with necklace thing. And then for the center of the day, I'm gonna go with this one, and for the underarms, I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, and for the shoes, yeah, these are the shoes that I'll be wearing. Then the bag, and for the jacket, I'm gonna go with this one. Decided not to wear the necklace because of the shape of this, so there's no need of the necklace. So I'm gonna wear my jacket because it's already in the evening, so, and it's cold. So the shoes, this is Adidas black and white.